Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little video tapping on some makeup products and just enjoying the beauty of some makeup items. So let's just get right into it. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of items, all ranging from foundation to bronzer to eyebrow products, some loose powder. I have a setting spray right here, some eyeshadow, some lip gloss, and a little lip balm. So we'll just dive in and see everything. So the first items I have here are these really pretty e.l.f. eyeshadow quads. I believe you call this a quad because it has four eyeshadow colors, eyeshadow shades. So these are like some of my most beloved ones because they are so beautiful and they are really pigmented, especially the sparkly shades. And I didn't even hesitate when I saw these in the store a couple years ago. I just immediately picked them up. So yeah, these are in the shade what is it, rose water and berry bad. So as you can see, one is a berry toned and one is a rose toned, and it has the e.l.f. logo written on it right here. e.l.f. So the top layer is acrylic plastic and the bottom is white. So in the palette you have two sparkly shades, and actually three sparkly shades. And in the rose one you only have two sparkly shades. I haven't used them in a bit, but I'm kind of inspired to take them out again and use them. Let me know if you guys have any e.l.f. eyeshadows and what you think of them. So the next product we have right here is the nudestix eyebrow pen. So I'll show you guys. It's actually dual-sided, which is very interesting, and it's quite bulky for what it is. I was actually surprised by the packaging, how bulky it is compared to what's inside. But let's open it up and see together. But before, let's do some tracing. NUDESTIX and then TM. So it comes in this really pretty black casing, as you can see right here. Very chic. I don't want to blind you guys, but there's a mirror under here. So there are some instructions and a little bit of information about the product in this little insert. It's almost like it's a plastic insert. So this is what the product it actually looks like. As I said, it's actually dual-sided, and it's actually brown shade for like brunettes. As you can see right here, this is an angled brow end, instead of like, it's like tapered instead of like just straight. Not my favorite, but you can still work with it. And it actually clicks too. And then the other end actually kind of twists open like this, and then you have a tiny, really tiny eyeshadow, sorry, an eyebrow gel. Look, it's so tiny. I think this is great for travel because you don't have to carry multiple products, you can just carry one. The packaging is very, very smooth. You can use this actually to pack in like other items if you travel. Like I maybe eventually will take this plastic insert out and put like other things as well. Maybe like other brow products that I actually enjoy as well. So yeah, that's an idea for this product right here. So this product right here is the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. This is one of my favorites because it honestly makes your skin look so good. It makes it look so healthy, dewy, fresh, and it's very inexpensive as well because it's drugstore, and I believe it's about like $10 Canadian. I'm not quite sure on the price, but it actually lasts quite a bit too. You don't need to put too much, but it really does the job. It's very comparable to the MAC Fix Plus, if you guys know that one. And it's very long lasting. It keeps your makeup on all day. So the next product I have right here is the Physicians Formula. This is the updated butter bronzer. If you guys are familiar, you will know about this bronzer. It still is very popular, but it was very big back in like 2016, 2017 era. Huge. And they updated their formula and the packaging. I actually have the old one here to show you guys as well. This actually smells like coconuts and like, you know, summer and the beach and everything nice about summer. So even in the winter, when it's snowing, if you put this or even smell it, you'll think of summer. It has this really pretty wave texture and design. I'm obsessed with it. And it actually comes with a mirror underneath as well, and a little sponge that I obviously don't use, and I think I might have thrown out. Let's see. Oh, actually, I didn't throw this one out. It comes with a little mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but in a little sponge right here. I never use the sponge, but it's there if you need it. It has these little tropical vibes on it, like the leaves and the trees. And it's this really nice, like, green color. Very tropical, summer-esque vibes. So here I have an Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This is a very basic highlighter. That's actually really good quality as well. It's not too bad. I've had it for a minute right now. This one is called Be My Highlight in the shade 10. And it's a pretty basic highlighter, which I like, especially if you're a beginner or if you don't like to put on too much makeup. This is the perfect shade for you because it's not too strong, not too light. I also like to apply this in the inner corners of my eye, like on the outer inner corners, and also like the brow bone. It's a really nice big pan as well. Look how gorgeous that is. So next we have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This has been a favorite of mine for a very long time now. This is the matte version. I love the packaging on these. Like, I love the glass and I love the look of it and the sleekness, but I really do wish it was a pump formula because I'll show you guys how it actually is. It's like a spatula where you kind of like pick it up. See, it kind of smells strong, but I'm still like obsessed with it. It's such a good foundation, and it's only like $6 here in Canada, which like, it's so good. Like, it's comparable to like Giorgio Armani, like really high-end brands. I love it. It's so good. So next we have this Hard Candy Plumping Serum Volumizing Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Love Child. This one's a really, really pretty shade. And honestly, if you really want plump lips, you should get this. I actually think it plumped my lips a little bit too much. So I'm always very cautious when I use it because it can go a little bit overboard. It's like this pinkish nude mauve color. It's really, really pretty. I can do a lip gloss swatch video for you guys if you'd like. Just let me know in the comments down below. Hard Candy has some of the best lip glosses and the best volumizing lip glosses actually. So this product right here is the Huda Beauty face powder. It's called the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Now this is one of my all-time favorite powders, hands down. It makes your face look like a filter, no joke. And it is in the shade Pound Cake. She really did an amazing job with this one. It's very, the only thing about it is it can get very messy, but like, it's so worth it. I just want to show you guys. It's very, very finely milled, and it's just a beautiful powder. Like, I can't say, like, what can you say? Like, it makes your skin look like a filter, and it also takes away all the shine, which I love, but while making you look still like fresh and a little bit dewy, and just like it makes your skin glow. It lets that shine from within, even if it, you know, takes away the the shine from like the oils on your skin. So I would highly recommend this to everybody. Even if you have a little bit of dry skin, this can definitely work for you as well. So right here we have the OG butter bronzer. This is the one I was telling you about earlier. This is the original packaging for the Physicians Formula. I prefer the newer packaging just because it looks a little bit more chic and modern. I love that. This one is kind of loose because I've had it for years, and as you can see, I've hit pan on it because I'm like in love with it. I use it to bronze like my neck or even as an actual bronzer. It works really, really well. It smells really good. So with this one, the difference is it has like purple tones to it on the top and more like yellowish, obviously, as you guys can tell from it's very like lime green, and the other one's like softer greens, more like forest greens and like tropical vibes. This one is like really like in your face color. I don't mind it still, but I just do prefer the newer packaging. So last but not least, we have the Laneige Slip Sleeping Mask. This is one of my favorite masks. This is the mini size actually. It is so tiny, so cute. Like, look how tiny that is. It's so tiny. And I use this in my travel bag. I just had to show you guys because it's so cute. And I use this a lot because it does like soften my lips a lot, and it helps me wake up with like really healthy lips, and it makes them look nourished, which I really love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved making it for you, and I love showing you guys my makeup and everything beauty related. Please let me know if you guys would like to see any other videos from me, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful night or day wherever you are.